Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Let me bring the little microphone. But essentially today I'm getting ready. It's not the morning. It's like 11ish. So essentially I am getting ready because I'm gonna go to play some golf with my partner. Just because I don't know, he wants me to go, and I decided to, why not go with him for a little bit? It's like a short golf course. It's actually really pretty, and there's a lot of little animals. And I've been just like at home, so I was just like, let's do it. Let's get out of the house. Let's enjoy a little bit of sun and breeze and looking at nature. So I'm gonna go and do that. But I did a little bit of skincare, but I need to finish. So I figured I would show you guys my daytime skincare, and then we'll go. I'll show you guys a little bit of the golf course, and then what I'm going to do is essentially, I think I want to bake something. So I'll share that with you guys. So welcome to a new video. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome to this beautiful community. And if you're not new and you're coming back, well, hi, nice to see you again. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to put this little microphone. I love it. Probably here. And hopefully you guys can hear me all right. So I already used my Advanced Nail Muxin by XOXO. Now I'm going to go ahead and sorry about the lighting, guys. Like the sun keeps going in and out. We're getting to that stage of the weather. Even though in California there's always sun, but yeah. Let's do my Snail Repair Eye Cream by Mixin. And if I'm looking over here, guys, it's because my mirror is here. But yeah. As I mentioned, I'm not like the best at, golfing. I just do it, and I've been doing it for a bit, just because it's just a good time to bond with my partner. He really likes golf, and it's just, since I work from home, and I honestly am a homebod, I just kind of like use it as an excuse to get out of the house and see nature because I love nature. So yeah, apart from dog walks, I like to do that sometimes. And we spend time together, and yeah, just something out of the usual routine. So, but yeah, I'm not like the best. And then I'm gonna go with my Rosia Chia Seed Moisture Cream. Just apply a little bit. I like this, but I'm still trying to look for like a nice, cleaner, cream or moisturizer that is light and good for sensitive skin. So that I'm trying to still find. And honestly, that's all I'm doing because I use active ingredients, so I don't like to overpower or overcomplicate my skincare. And for sunscreen, I think I'm just gonna do a 50 SPF 50 from Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And let me know if you like. I know sometimes like people have told me that there are better sunscreens. I like this one. It's light. I like to apply it on my face. But if you know of another sunscreen that is good, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know your tips and tricks. I'd like to hear from you always. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll wear like a little blush. And I'm addicted to sunscreen. So, but yeah, I think just a little sunscreen, a little lipstick, and that's it. Because honestly, it's not even like I'm sorry, I'm applying it kind of like on my neck because yeah, I always try to teach you guys, always put it in your neck. But yeah. And my hair is a little frizzy, so let's let's use my trusty favorite, my Living Proof Vanishing Frizz Oil. Just a little, and it comes in this little pipette, so I just use one pipette, and that's it. So I do it ends, and then the rest, since it's not a heavy oil, I'll just do it like this. And I'm trying to get used to my hair, this darker color, guys. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think I might get it done, like get it a little lighter, like just do kind of like a toner or something to get it. I know it's gonna wash off but yeah, I kind of miss my regular hair, but I don't know. We'll see. It looks darker in camera than it actually is. I don't know, but yeah. So let me know down below. I really need to get another Tangle teaser. Or no, sorry, this is a wet brush, but it broke. But it's still like working. So I'm like, should I get a new one? Like I can still work with this one. Anyway, let's do really quick some makeup. Let's do lipstick, same old Milani and Peony 310. And I think that should be it, to be honest. And I'm going to grab a little bit of the Milani and just put it on my cheeks. Because why not? Why not, guys? All right. Jewelry, same. My engagement ring. And then let's do some little, these little pearls that I love with a little diamond. It's lab created diamond with, I think, sequoia pearls, which I love. I'll leave them down below. They're actually very good price, and I've been using them a lot just because they're dainty, they're nice, and I love pearls. But yeah, that's skincare and my little touch of makeup. And then, ooh, what perfume? I think I'm trying to finish this Calvin Klein To You for her. That smells nice, but I mean, I'm literally just gonna go outside. So, but you guys know I love my fragrance. All right, guys. So, let me share with you quickly what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this Uniqlo kind of like beautiful little top, and then this shorts that you guys have probably seen them in my shorts. If you haven't, go to my shorts and see all my outfits. But this one's, I think they're Amazon, something like that, or Mango. They're very similar. And then I'll just wear my Chanel espadrilles, and that's it. That's it. That's all. So I hope you enjoy, guys, this video. Probably next you'll see a little montage of the like golf, and then I'll meet you guys back here and we'll do some baking. All right, guys, and I made it back. I put this little scarf just because it was a little bit cold, like a little windy. Oops, let me turn my playlist. Sorry. By the way, I've been loving BBC Classic FM. Love it, love it, love it. It's just so relaxing. But yeah, let me take this off. I'll link this down below. You guys might like it. It's so beautiful. I think I've shown it to you guys before, but it's lovely. So let's take that off because it's a little bit hotter in here. But yeah, so let's do some baking, which I looked at. I want to do a carrot cake with cream cheese frosting, which sounds delicious. And I know Miles loves that. So that would be very well received, I'm sure. So, all right. So I'll leave the recipe down below in case you guys want. You guys know that I'm not like an expert at baking, cooking, anything like that. But I'm just sharing what I'm doing with you guys because I enjoy it. I feel like I'm talking to, my friends and my people. But yeah, so I'm not going to tell you guys all the ingredients. I'll just put a little time lapse and maybe kind of like talk about it with you guys. Just because if not, it'll be very boring. And some of you guys are better probably at baking than me, so I don't want to embarrass myself, even though I know we're here in a family. So, all right, let me go get all the ingredients all situated. All right, so the first port of call, I think, is we have to grate the carrots. So it's 2 cups, and then I preheat the oven. And I put my little apron. I'll try and find one down below similar, but this is by a brand called Yadelun. I don't know. I just bought it like 3 years ago, but I just love it because it has pockets and I just love it. So yeah, and let's turn the oven. That would be a good start. So 160 degrees Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit. But I'll just put a little montage for you guys. Enjoy. Now I'm supposed to mix in a large bowl the oil, the sugars, the vanilla essence, the eggs, and the grated carrots. So let's put the grated carrots. It says not to use olive oil, but honestly, that's all I have. So we're going to do it. And I'm using this to measure, so I'm going to put the oil here. guys. So I just put it in the little tin, the mixture, and I added finely diced walnuts just for a little something something. And then we're meant to put it in the middle rack for 45 to 55 minutes. So let's put her in. Oh, I think I'm just gonna put her in the top actually. It doesn't say, so let's put her in the top. Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes. And now I'm gonna tidy up and I'll show you guys once I'm done. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, just don't forget to subscribe, support this family, grow it. Comment down below what do you think, what are your favorite recipes, what do you want to see? And as always, it's a pleasure. And I hope you have a good week, a good day. Bye.